Hi boys and girls, today you'll be doing Scurry's big spider web. This works the same as the smaller spider web did. However, all of the numbers get connected and you have many more here at the bottom, as you can see, to use to fill in the different circles on the spider web. The concept is the same. You need to fill in the circles with the numbers available below to add up and make the sum given within the spider web. So 8 plus 10 is 18 plus 1 is 19. So from here, it would make sense to move to the 33 or to the 27 since you have already 2 out of the 3 or 2 out of the 4 pieces done for you. You may only use the numbers at the bottom of the page one time. If you want to cut this off and cut the circles out and glue them on, you can. It's going to take a lot of time and you only have 15 minutes for this rotation, so you might want to just leave them there and put an X over them as you use them and fill them in the circles with your pencil. That way it's a little bit easier if you do choose to change some numbers around and you don't already have them glued down. You may work with a partner on this if you'd like. Please put your name on your paper when you're finished and turn it into the tray when you're done.